Hi everybody, Daniele Mancuso from Sparkle. Sparkle is the international arm of Telecom Italia Group. Was spun off in 2003 with the mission to develop Telecom Italia international wholesale and retail business for multinational corporation. In my current position, I serve as Vice President ICT Engineering, and I have the responsibility to ensure the technological innovation, planning and development of all network functions in Sparkle, from submarine cables up to cloud and virtualized services. And I have also the responsibility of information technology. Few takeaways from this MEF18 that once again confirm its transformational role in the industry, not only standardization, but leapfrogging technological innovation to the future. We spoke about SD-WAN. It looks like SD-WAN is the candidate technology to bring us to the future, to accompany the evolution of the enterprises and of the service providers to the future. We are talking about a new generation of managed services that will be enabled by SD-WAN technology. Essentially a virtualized overlay technology that will allow enterprises to interconnect branch offices as well as public cloud without the need of truck rolls and in a matter of seconds just connecting with service providers either via service portals or better via API that are the main bread and butter of MEF. We are really doing a great job in standardization of both Cantata and Sonata for the East-West and for the interface with the customer. Another very hot topic that we had this year is the network cloudification. We are moving from what was the initial trend of disaggregating network functions from their underlying hardware. We are moving to the next step, that is rewriting Vnfs from standard virtual machines, fat virtual machines full of overhead due to the operating system and due to the auto-consistency of the application itself, to a more disaggregated virtual network function that will be split in microservices. Each of that will be auto-consistent, each of that will be stateless, and therefore will be cloud native, and this will allow a VNF to be decomposed and to run in several locations. Part of it will be running into customer premises equipment, part of it will be running into edge or core data centers, part of it can run into public cloud, and this is the great news. Finally, service provider is cloudifying its own network, and the service is exposed to enterprises that are addressing today the multi-cloud environment and multi-cloud experience. All of this is, of course, enabled by the strong foundation of the SDN, the software-defined network that in more or less 5 years was transforming itself from a simple set of technologies that were allowed programmability and automation of the network to a more advanced set of platforms that are introducing artificial intelligence and will take us to the next step, that is intent-based network. Intent-based networks will be a new generation of network that will be automated by default and will be able to interact either with the end user or with the operator with almost natural language. The same way today we interact with Siri or with Alexa, we will interact with our network, and we will give a simple instruction like create me a slice with this SLA, with this reliability, and with this level of performances. So the future is bright. MEF is doing a great job. Sparkle is a big fellow and a big influencer in MEF. Keep on following us. Thanks a lot.